Well, I fired up Mach Standard Mill. This is on mill turn. I'm just doing a wizard, a face cut or whatever, just to kind of get tooling and everything set up. And I'm only setting up the one tool. I may not even deal with the other one. We'll see. I just kind of wanted to get a handle on it a little bit more today. So this will be the first time. God hell, this will be one of the first times running the mill, period. Okay, so just a scrap piece. I'm looking at 10 thousandths depth of cut. Spindle speed's 1,000 right now. Feed rates are 4 for roughing and 3 for the finish pass. I'm only going to be taking about 25 thousandths off maybe. And the first couple of cuts may not even touch. So, anywho, what the hell? Let's see what happens here. Probably hold on to the thing here and so I can hit the E-stop, but yeah, I'm gonna get chips all over the keyboard and everything. That's pretty, and obviously not very aggressive, but still came out with a really nice surface finish. I really need to play with feeds and speeds to learn that more. You can see that. So this is Mach Standard Mill, and I'm in mill turn. This is by Calypso Ventures. It's like 60 something bucks, 69 bucks, 70 bucks. And so in here, when I do the pick wizard, it's the same lathe wizards that I'm used to over on the other lathe. Friggin' awesome. Okay, so those stay the same. Z, let's start it at 1.1 now, since that's where we left off. Let's go into 1 inch. We'll take 50 thousandths off. Let's do a feed rate of 10. Cut depth, we can leave it at 10. And we'll do the last one at 10 as well. Save the settings, post the code, exit. Now the one thing I do need to do in here is I want to go in and, since I picked the feed rate up so high, I want to go in and change that up. Let's give it a try. Okay, so right under the yellow button here is the edit. So I'm going to come in here, and since it stops right there, basically it rapids out to Z 1.05, and it was at 0.95. I'm going to change that to a Z of 2 and an X of 2.5. Okay, so we'll close it. We'll close it, tell it to save. It changed it, we're ready to run it again, but I'm going to go ahead and take the MPEG. So let's run the Z up a little bit, let's run the X out a little bit, and alright. Oh man, look at that surface finish. Sweet. I'm going to leave it at the same 1500. We'll see what happens. See, and that didn't come out quite as nice. The more aggressive feed rate definitely did a nicer job. So let's try a OD turn. I have it zeroed to the pad that that piece goes up against. Okay, for a Z. So that way I know I can go all the way to 0 without any issue, and it's about 2 inches and maybe about 4 thousandths. I set it up off that. So pick a wizard, lathe turning wizard, run, OD turning, fillet radius of 50,000. X end, X start. X start's going to be 2.005. X end, let's take off 1/4 inch, so 1.75. That'll only be an 1/8 inch deep. That should be enough for that fillet radius. Z start, we took that down to 950, didn't we? So 0.950. Let's run it up to Z end of 0.200. Clearance 100, roughing feed rate. 10 cut depth. 10, 8, finish pass cut at 10,000th. Yeah, let's try that. Not really having fun till we break something, right? Oh, look at the way that arc goes. Is that ports and pins, turning options, reversed arc? Yep. Okay. Config, save settings, reset, post code. Much better, huh? Yeah, this is going to take a little while because I'm only doing 10 thousandths. That's so that means it's only going to take off 5. Yeah, so let's put that up at 20. 5,000. Save, postcode. Sure, we can always stop it in the middle if it's too aggressive, right? I turned it down to 1300. Cut a little of the heat down. I should probably get the coolant down and stuff, but God dang, yeah. Let's see what it does.